Hi, I'm Mark Craven here in Snohomish, Washington at Craven Farm, and today we're going to talk about killing mildew on a pumpkin plant. Well, mildew is a tough one. It'll start on your pumpkins usually when the weather starts turning from summer to fall and you get those cooler nights and maybe a little more moisture in the air. And here, usually about the end of August, first part of September is when we start getting it, and you'll see signs of it happening. Remember that the best way to stop mildew and prevent it is to do a preventative cure with horticulture oils, neem oils, and different oils or some sulfur-based oils on your pumpkin plants before it gets started. But if you see it getting started, you can stop it or slow it down enough to get your pumpkin plant so it's able to produce that fruit and to make it all the way to the end till your harvest in the end of September and October. So here's a plant that, as you can see, this leaf here is a great one. It's just barely getting started, the mildew. And this one here, the mildew's taken over a little bit more. So what you want to do is, especially on this one, this is your early stages when it's just getting started. The best thing you can do is take your oils and just spray the leaves. Coat them good with the oils, your horticulture oils, neem oils, and that'll stop the mildew. And you're not going to kill it and make it go away, but you can definitely stop it and keep your plant healthy. This one here has gone a little farther. It's still got enough that you're still okay with growing your pumpkins. It's not gonna, you still got enough energy in this plant, in this leaf, that's gonna help keep your pumpkin growing good. But earlier, the better. So when it comes to mildew, preventative is definitely the best. If you got it showing up, get your oils on there and get them spraying, and spray them periodically according to your label, and you'll stop that mildew and you'll still have a great pumpkin.